in this video I'm going to introduce you to the tenon saw, the bench hook and the bench vise. This is a tenon saw. It's got a stiff back to it. It's good for cutting small pieces of wood. The correct way to hold it is with one finger pointing, and that will help you keep the saw at 90 degrees when you're cutting, so it's not too wonky like this or wonky like that, keeping it upright. The bench vise, the open and close, is attached to the bench, and the bench hook is going to help us hold the piece of wood in place. So put that in there and we tighten it up so it doesn't move around. The piece of wood has already been marked out, showing the waste wood, so I'm going to cut this into two pieces of wood. When we put it there, we want this, where we're going to cut, to be close to where it's held here. If it's over here, then it's too far away and the wood can move around. Of course, if it's there, then I'm going to be cutting into that with a saw. So we want to go close to it, so that's ideal there. When we're standing, we want to have one foot. I put my left foot in front of the other because I'm right-handed, and I'm going to lean on this edge here with one hand, and holding the saw, as I've already shown, with my finger like this. I'm leaning, putting my weight into that, and I'm going to start by making a little nick on the far side of the piece of wood. So just a little chop like that. Pull it back towards itself a few times to get a notch. And once you've got a notch, you can slowly create a trench across the top face of the wood. Now we need it marked on the edges as well, so we can make sure that our cut is going straight down. And when I'm sawing, I'm looking to have my wrist, my elbow, my shoulder all in line with each other. So we don't want to be standing over here and sawing, and we don't want to be in front of the saw as well. So I'm holding a position like this. I'm trying to use the full length of the blade, not just little cuts, but using the full length.